It sure would be nice to see some fall-like weather. I mean, the leaves are changing partially because of drought conditions, but today, record. We tied a record, 91 degrees. This is more like September than October. We tied a record from 1950. We also hit 91 in 1992. And get this, I'm actually forecasting 3 more record highs in the next 7 days. But I've also shifted to higher rain chances and cooler temperatures Halloween and beyond. I know if you've got kiddos and you're planning on trick-or-treating, you might say, no, of all times for the rain to come. But hey, we'll take it, right? 89 outside right now after that high of 91 degrees. I've seen so many birds flying around. It's also migration season, so that's what you're seeing there on our tower cam. Temperature currently at 90 in Mason, and here's something interesting. The winds have actually shifted to the north in Mason County. There's a weak front, we'll call it a cold front in quotes, that is basically draped across the northwest hill country, points north and west. This front's going to stall. It's not going to make it much farther to the south. It may shift our winds, but it's so weak that we will not see cooler temperatures tomorrow, nor will we see rain. We have to wait for another weather maker to do that. And there's actually a swirl in the atmosphere just off the Pacific Northwest coastline, and then another one farther up toward the north near Alaska. Both of these upper level lows will eventually carve out like a big trough of low pressure in the western United States. And the timing of that and the strength of that eventually will shove in moisture our way at long last, and eventually moderating the temperatures too. But look at this, finally, after days upon days, if you're keeping track, it's been 50 days with only 0.01 inches of rain. Lo and behold, 1/4 to 1/2 inch possible Austin, 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch possible in the north areas. 40% rain chances for both Halloween Thursday as well as on Friday. And this could be kind of the tipping point for heading in a different direction. Not necessarily in terms of temperatures. You can see November 2nd through 8th, we're talking warmer than average. Granted, the average by then is 76. We might be closer to 80. Better than 90s, right? But also, we're going to see the odds tilted toward more of a wet pattern, which we desperately need. 68 for the overnight, mainly clear. I don't think we'll see as much in the way of low clouds and fog as we have the last couple of days. Tomorrow, abundant sunshine warming up to 91. Bing, bing, bing. It's another record. The record high is 90 degrees set back in 1950. And we're not done with records yet. Sunday. Right now, I've got you at 92. The record's 93. We will be watching closely. Monday and Tuesday, 2 more records, and then come the changes. Now, note there's a cold front on Halloween Thursday. Right now, I think it could stall near our area, and that could keep rain chances going, not only Friday, but perhaps into the following weekend, the first weekend of November.